My name is Zain. Today I will explain to you guys what is an algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with abstract systems known as algebraic structure and the manipulation of expression with those systems. It is a generalization of arithmetic that introduces variables algebraic operations other than the standard arithmetic operations such as addition and multiplication. It is an example of algebra problem. There's three things you need to know before solving an algebra problem. The first thing is the variable. Variable represents mysterious number on the algebra problem. The example of variable is A, B, C, or any other letters, or any other shape like triangle or square. And then there is a coefficient. The coefficient example on this algebra problem is the number 2 besides the A. It's called a coefficient because it represents how much the variable is multiplied by. And then there's the constant. The constant is a single number, and not a single number. It's just a normal number without any variable. It used to make this algebra solving more easier because it tells us how much is the constant value. And then we are gonna solve this algebra problem. How to solve it? First, the plus one on the constanta on the variable line will be moved into the 9 side because we must group the variable with variable and then the constant with the constant. So we subtract both of the line with 1 because to A is already plus 1, so we subtract the 1 and then the plus 1 got removed, so it only left with a 2A. But the 9 we subtract with 1, so it will result in 8. And then how to why is the result 4? Because the A before the solving is the 2. So we divide the 8 by 2 and then we got the result. So A is equals to 4. It is a algebraic problem you need to answer. If you want to answer, pause this video. Pause this video if you wanna to solve this equation. This is how to solve the equation. 3a plus 5 equals 20. So, like the first step, we group the constant with the constant and the variable with variable. So the constant we move it to the 20 side. So the positive will become negative because it's cross the equal sign. So the left side there will be only 3a, but on the right side there will be 20 minus 5. And then the 20 minus 5 will equal to 15. And then 3a is equal to 15. So a we must divide it by 3 and then resulted in a. And the 15 we divided by 3 resulting in 5. So the number one answer to a is 5. Then there's number 2. You can pause to answer it. Then first step, the first thing you need to do when solving the algebraic problem is to group the variable with variable and the constant with the constant. So we move the 2 on the left side to the right side. And then like I've already said, if the negative 2 move out the equal sign, it will turn the negative number into a positive number. It will result in the 22 plus 2 equals 24. 12b is equals to 24, so we divided both the number by 12, and then the 12b divided by 12 will result in b, and the 24 divided by 12 will result in 2, so the b is 2. And then there's the third number. You can try to answer it. If you want to answer it, pause it. And then how to solve it? There's 2c plus 2 minus 5. This is getting more trickier because there is 2 constant on this equation. So we're all gonna do now is move the constant into the right side. And then because the c is variable, so we keep it on the left side. But the constant all move to the right side. The negative number will turn into a positive number, the positive will turn into a negative. And then after all of this long line, it will result in 2c is equals to 14. And then we divided both of this number with 2. C divided 2c divided by 2 is equals to c. And 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So the result is c equals to 7. And there is the last question. You can rewind the video back to the A section. So you can count the A number on this equation. Pause it if you want to solve it. Then the answer on how to solve the 4D minus 2A equals 6. First, we already know that the A on the first section is equals to 5, so we put in 5. And how to count the number on the 2A? So, we times the 2 by 5, so there's 2 multiplicated by 5, so it will equals to minus 10. And then we just move it into the right side, so it will be the positive 10. And then we add the 6 to the 10. And then 4D is on the only variable left on the left side, so we keep it. And then for the right side, the 10 plus 6 equals to 16, and then we do the same, both divide both number by 4, and then 4D divided by 4 is equal to D, and then 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So the D value is 4. The conclusion is algebra is very important for us to understand because it can help our life finding mysterious number, counting extended math equation using the algebra variable. That's all from me. Bye bye.